In this video, I'll detail how to play YouTube song or video in background on iPhone. So here you don't need a premium account or you don't need to use any third-party application. You basically want to use your iPhone to watch YouTube videos in background or listen to song in background. So if you found this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do, when you want to play YouTube video in background on your iPhone, is open any browser and go to youtube.com on your browser. So go to youtube.com like this, and this is going to take you to your YouTube homepage. Then search for the video you want to play in the background section of your iPhone. Let's say this video. Click on it and wait for the video to start playing just like this. So once it starts playing, you can just close the browser, and the moment you close the browser, this is going to automatically stop playing the YouTube video. However, to play the YouTube video or song in background, all you just need to do is swipe down the control center on your iPhone on iOS 18 or iOS 17. Locate the music app. This, if you're using iOS 18, the music app may not be available here. If it is not available, just press and hold like this, then click on add the control and search for music player. Then on the control page, just scroll down and look for the music icon. So I already have it added here. This, then click on it. Once you add it, just go ahead and click on the play button. So while the video is playing just like this on your iPhone, just swipe down the control center, and then you should see the music playing here, confirming that this video is playing or song is playing. Go ahead and exit this, come back here again and play this. Now let's say this is the video you want to play in your iPhone background, right? Then just close the browser by minimizing it, swipe down, scroll up like this, and then locate the music player here. Once found, click on this icon to start playing it. You see that? So while on the home screen, so that is how you can easily play YouTube video or song in background on iPhone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.